group of experts who knows how to deal with your legal matters, ensuring your desired results. Our team of lawyers have over 40 years experience dealing with immigration law, family law, civil litigation, criminal litigation, employment law, housing, and welfare benefit. At KACE Law Solicitors, we provide professional legal services with enthusiasm and passion. To find out about how we can help you, please call us today on 020-782-0164 and 0. Our 24 hours mobile line is 077-239-5093 and 0. For more information, email us on info@caselawsolicitors.co.uk or log on to our website at www.caselawsolicitors.co.uk. Our office is located at 81 Lothian Road, London, SW9 6TS. Contact us today and you will be glad you did. At KACE Law Solicitors, your peace is our priority.
A very good evening to you, and thanks for joining us again tonight on your lovely program, Legal Point by KACE Law Solicitors. Remember, for all your legal matters, immigration, family, employment, housing, civil and criminal litigation, welfare and benefits, please get in touch with us at KACE Law Solicitors. We will strengthen and energize and equip you to make sure that we are actually able to get a new Nigeria that we all have been clamoring and praying for. That's just by the way. Tonight, like I said, we're going to do a whole topic on that. But when you said stop the hurt, it's been...
I know, it's just... My day has just been all over the place.
Seriously, I can't just look aside from what's been going on.
Because someone on Instagram was even doing a live stream of what was going on. Bullet wounds.
They're killing your children in the diaspora. You're also killing them at home. Interesting. Well, God is up to something, and this is a God's movement. The Sorosoke movement is a God's movement.
Definitely.
And when it's a God's movement, nobody can stop it. Let's us wait and see the drama unfold. The Lord will keep our youth. In Jesus' name. So let's get that to business tonight. We're not going to wait on any break because our time is gone already. Domestic violence and abuse is a very topic that is so dear to my heart. So dear to my heart anytime I talk about it. In your own words, how will you describe domestic violence and abuse?
Just like you said, is very dear to your heart. It's a topic that is very, very dear to my heart. I'm very passionate about this topic, domestic violence. You know, domestic violence is committed, you know, when you're in a relationship and the other person is being physically abusive to you. The person you are in an intimate relationship with is the one that causes domestic violence to you. And it can take three forms: physical abuse, emotional abuse, and also sexual abuse. And most of the time, the people who suffer domestic violence the most in relationship, 95% are women. That is not saying that men don't suffer
it too.
Before you cut my neck,
men are victims of abuse.
That doesn't mean to say men don't suffer domestic violence. Yes, men, they suffer domestic violence. But it is not as much as how women suffer domestic violence. So men, I would say like 5%, and then women 95%. And it has to stop.
It has to stop. Stop the hurt. Stop the hurt.
Stop the hurt.
What? Before I go to my next question, you released an album recently, like you said, titled "Stop the Hurt." What inspired that album for you?
Stop the Hurt was inspired. I am a victim of domestic violence, but I'm not going to go into that today. Okay, so I'm a victim of domestic violence, and that is what inspired me to write that song, because I've noticed there are not too many songs that talks about domestic violence that I know of. You understand? So I just thought to myself, because when I was going through my domestic violence, I couldn't really talk to anyone. It was difficult, you know, as a Christian woman. You don't want to talk. You want to keep it secret. You come out, you put on a facade. You know, you put up a front. Everything is okay. You smile, like everything is fine. But really, deep down, you know, everything is not fine. So in trying to how do I put it now? In trying to deal with what I was going through, I wrote the song.
Wow.
Stop the hurt.
Stop the hurt.
Stop
That's
the pain. Stop the hurt. Stop the hurt. Domestic violence is very, very destroying. Destroys you emotionally, destroys you psychologically, destroys you mentally. That was why I wrote the song.
Wow.
So the song was like, it was like a place of rest for me, sort of.
Wow.
You know, when I look at the lyrics, I read the lyrics, and then the the bridge. Thank God, I'm able to practice what I preached in the song. You understand? Because the bridge of the song says, "Live while you're still alive."
Wow. Yeah.
Forget about those who will judge you. Stop the violence. Stop the violence. Please stop the pain.
Okay. Can we have a minute or two of Stop the Hurt by Minister Sophia?
Stop the pain, I beg you. Stop the pain. You don't have to lose control of your senses, overwhelmed at a slightest provocation. Violence is violence, whether verbal or physical. Stop the violence, I beg you. Domestic violence affects us all. It harms our community. Weakens the foundation of our nation. Hurts those we love most. And it must end. It must end. Yeah. Oh, it must end. It must end. It must end. It must end. Domestic violence is not right in any shape or form, be it on a woman or a man.
Live while you're still alive.
Exactly.
I had a story of a family recently, few miles away from where I live. The man killed the wife, killed himself, and left 4 children.
4 little children. I saw the story as well.
Do we have to wait until a life is taken, until someone is dead, before you actually know that you have to seek help and get out while you still can?
Exactly.
What are some people would say, some people are even experiencing abuse and they are not aware. Someone is excessively controlling, has a pattern of controlling behavior towards the partner. Or let me quickly ask you, what are the emotional signs of domestic abuse? What are the emotional effect of someone going through domestic abuse?
One of the emotional effects of domestic abuse is depression. The person goes into depression. And sometimes you don't even know it and you're sinking into depression. And then, you know, depression affects your mental health, affects everything, you know, around you, everything about you. Sometimes substance use. People start to use drugs because they're trying to cope with
the pain.
And some resort to taking alcohol. And then some people, their sleeping pattern changes. Is it that they're not sleeping at all, or they're sleeping too much? See?
Low self-esteem as well?
Low self-esteem. And then one of the signs as well is being extremely apologetic. Every little thing you are over apologizing. In my case, I'm always apologizing for even what I don't even know.
Just for peace.
I'm sorry. And then when I say that, I'm like, what am I even sorry for? Because you see that something is brewing and you don't want it to explode. You know, you just, oh, I'm sorry.
Just to manage the situation. Interesting. Now, moving further a little from that, what are the warning signs? Like I said, some people are actually experiencing domestic violence and abuse, and they are not even aware that they are going through it. Even if they know they are going through it, some people don't want to talk. Like in your case, you don't want to speak up. You don't want anybody to know. You're covering it up. You're enduring the pain. You're suffering all alone. But what sign should people around us look for?
Okay.
To be able to say, oh, something is not right with you. What's going on?
Yeah. When someone becomes excessively secretive, you know something is happening. And then sometimes you see them with bruises and they give you all sorts of excuses. Oh no, I fell. Oh, I hit my hand there. And then
I fell on the stairs.
I fell on the stairs. Oh, I hit my head there. It's all lies. It's as a result of domestic violence. And then some of them, you see people, there was a time I wear long sleeve to cover bruises. To cover bruises in hot summer. And then some people, you see them, they tie scarves on their neck because of bruises on the neck, just to cover up. And then some wear dark glasses.
Wow.
Just to cover.
Wow.
And then when you notice somebody is controlling, that is a sign that this person is abusive. They can be controlling financially. They want to control your social media. They want to control people you talk to. Like this particular person, in my own case, this person said to me, your auntie hates you. Your cousin hates you. People here hate you. Everybody hates you. They don't like you.
So he was the only one.
He's the only one that loves me.
Trying to isolate.
Trying to isolate. That is what they do. And then when he sees me talking to someone, he's like, what are you saying? What are you discussing? What are you discussing? I'm like, no, we're just talking normal. So what is the normal stuff you're talking? He wants to know. And then he'll say, oh, make sure you don't discuss the happenings in the house with this person, with anybody.
Wow.
That is abuse. If you're going through abuse and you're watching this program, get help, please.
Let's take this call. Good evening. Thanks for calling. Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, can I be on with...
Please reduce your TV volume and then you can speak on, please.
You hang on a moment.
All right, sir.
Hang on a moment. It's been done.
Okay, now you can go ahead, sir.
How are you? My name is Chief Oshibe.
Okay.
The young lady there, your guest, is someone well known to me. Someone I appreciate so much.
Wow.
Good evening, Chief. Good evening,
Sophie,
sir.
how are you? Why am I not hearing your voice, Sophie?
Really? You're not hearing my voice?
I can now hear you.
Oh, really?
Is my mic not on?
The mic is on. It should be able to hear you.
I think I can hear you now.
Okay.
I think I got the wind of this program through your text today.
Oh, thank you so much
for calling,
tuning
sir.
Yeah. How's everything going?
Fine, sir. Thank you so much for calling.
Please, we have to go. Our time is running. You can catch up with...
Yeah, a very quick one. Actually, it surprises me when people talk about domestic violence.
Go on, sir. Hello?
Hello, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, why I cannot believe, I struggle to understand why someone could beat his partner in as much as you cannot pinch yourself You have no right to pinch your partner because your partner is part of you.
Thank you.
So it's not that people I know are the ones saying it. I did not believe it could happen. I never believed, because the one thing I have to state there is clear. If there is no relationship, it shouldn't happen. If any of those things are happening, that person is not your husband, neither is it your partner.
Thank you, sir.
Your partner or your husband cannot do that.
Thank you. Into a punching bag. Thank you, sir.
That is why I believe it doesn't happen. But there is one more thing. Women, they are not truthful to each other. Most women deceive each other. Whatever that works in one marriage might not work in the other marriage if there is marriage. Get my word first. There should be marriage. There should be a relationship before you talk about if it is working or not working. If somebody is beating each other, there is no relationship. So we cannot be talking whether it's working or not working.
Thank you so much, Chief. I appreciate that. Thank you for calling. We have to go tonight. Thank you so much. That's a very serious one.
That's a good one.
Chief is saying you lay your hands on a woman or on a man, don't even talk about any relationship. There is no relationship between you. Because if you go by the scriptures, the Bible says, and the two shall become one. If you see your partner as yourself, you won't be punching.
Exactly.
For crying out loud.
Like this person will say to me, oh, you know, I love you so much. Then one day I just said to him, I said, if this is what you call love, I don't want it.
I don't want it.
I told us, if this is your definition of love.
Beating you blue black is the definition of love.
No, I don't want it. Because for me, this is not love. You can't claim you love someone and you're laying your hand on the person and you're beating someone.
No. And I think the problem with, before we go tonight, I will touch on that quickly. The problem is some of these people who are perpetrators don't really accept the partner as part of them.
Exactly.
And why is it that domestic violence and abuse is prominent among the BAME community, people of color? Why?
Exactly.
Why? Is it our culture? Is it that we struggle with power? Is it a matter of hierarchy? I don't get it. Like Chief said, if you are a man that beats your woman, or you are a woman that beats your man, you don't even have a relationship.
There's no marriage. There's no relationship.
There is no relationship.
Case
because
closed.
If you have a relationship, let's take that call quickly. Good evening. Thanks for calling.
Hello. The network disconnected. There was something they said. Let me go through.
Oh, we have to go now. Sorry, time is gone. We've got 48 seconds to go. We'll bring Sophia back on the show, and we'll be able to actually, answer some other questions, and then we'll be able to take more calls. I think we took a bit of time with what is going on in Nigeria.
It's very demoralizing.
I couldn't just turn a blind eye. We'll bring her back. We're going to talk more on the issue of domestic violence, and next week I think we're going to dwell more on what is going on in our great country, Nigeria. Don't forget to visit KACE Law Solicitors. We'll be expecting your call. We are always there to help. Sophia, thank you so much for coming on this show tonight.
Thank you very much for having me.
We pray to have you back soon. Till I see you same time, same station next week. Stay safe. God bless.
Thinking of a well-experienced solicitor to deal with your legal matters? Think KACE Law Solicitors. We are a group of experts who knows how to deal with your legal matters, ensuring your desired results. Our team of lawyers have over 40 years experience dealing with immigration law, family law, civil litigation, criminal litigation, employment law, housing, and welfare benefit. At KACE Law Solicitors, we provide professional legal services with enthusiasm and passion. To find out about how we can help you, please call us today on 020-782-0164 and 0. Our 24 hours mobile line is 077-239-5093 and 0. For more information, email us on info@caselawsolicitors.co.uk or log on to our website at www.caselawsolicitors.co.uk. Our office is located at 81 Lothian Road, London, SW9 6TS. Contact us today and you will be glad you did. At KACE Law Solicitors, your peace is our priority. Thinking of a well-experienced solicitor to deal with your legal matters? Think KACE Law Solicitors.